To have something like this, you know, national wide too, and have a series is, you know, it's amazing. As a kid, we didn't have this kind of series. We didn't have events Australia wide. You know, really thanks to Subway for coming on board and putting this program together and supporting, you know, junior surfing.
It's a good way to start off the year. Stoked to win and happy, yeah.
Just to remember being around events as a kid and just the camaraderie, you know, you make so much friendship around, you know, Australia-wide, and I guess as these guys mature into, you know, I guess developing pros, you know, they're all going to have that, you know, that good base of competing, but also friendship.
Yeah, the Subway Summer Surf Series is, you know, it's really tough. There's so many good kids, and with the waves pumping, anyone can get an 8 or higher, so yeah, it's good. The last couple of events, the last couple of weeks, I've come away with a win, so I'm super stoked. So yeah, I'm pretty confident. 2015, hopefully it's a good one.